Hi guys, good morning. This is my second day at Gangtok, where I'm planning to go on the local sightseeing, and I am with Ria and Akshay. So we are traveling together. I managed to get hold of them. I was traveling solo, so we are going to spend some time together. Like next 2 or 3 days, we are going to stay together. So let's see how we enjoy.
क्या था?
Good morning.
आप लोग भी इधर आ गया? हाँ? अभी पता
Mr. Lama, how are you
Yes.
today?
I'm fine. Then you?
I'm also fine. So what are we going to visit today? Like what?
Today we have to just start going from local sightseeing. 2-3 points maybe close to the festival, Tamangs,
Okay.
and monastery and Tibetology maybe.
And how long it's this going to take for us? Like we are starting at around 9:40 today in the morning. So by when are we expecting to return?
5 hours maybe.
5 hours. So as you heard, it usually takes around 4.5 hours to 5 hours to complete the local sightseeing, which we are including 13 points, out of which a few would be closed. Stupa and continuing my visit. This is usually said that if you have some sins and you want to ask for forgiveness, you should rotate these things to get some forgiveness out from God. ये क्या किस चीज़ का प्रसाद है?
ये आज का हमारा ये तामंग का जो फेस्टिवल है, उस फेस्टिवल में हमारा बुद्धिज़्म बुद्ध भगवान को बहुत माना जाता है, तो गेट टुगेदर होता है, इसी का ही उसमें मोनास्ट्री में ये प्रसाद बांटा जा रहा है। आप लोग ले सकते हैं खाइए। So then ma'am, so how to like Sikkim and here festival?
Also serve this to our God. I really like this.
Yeah.
Sweet rice.
Thank you very much. Then sir?
Yeah, I really like it. We also prepare this thing in our home.
Yeah. Okay, so
The monastery, after the sweet rice, I'm having Tibetan tea. So this is first time I'm having it, and as Mr. Lama was telling, it is made by milk and butter. So it tastes different from the tea that we have usually in our place. So I'm trying it out for the first time.
रोपे बोलते हैं इसको। हाँ, ये पूरा स्विट्जरलैंड का जितना भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट जितना भी है ना, ये स्विट्जरलैंड से लाया गया है इंस्ट्रूमेंट है इसका।
So after Choting Stupa, it's time for the ropeway in Gangtok. So we are going for the ropeway ride, and let's see how much it is going to cost me.
455.
So the prices of tickets are 117 per adults, and for child 3 to 5 years it's 77 per head. But tickets are going to be checked over here. Okay. ride of ropeway has been completed. It was for around 10 minutes ride for ropeway across the Gangtok city. So you get the entire city view from the ropeway. That's the only view that we will be getting. But if you're looking for the mountains, I don't think it would be giving you a good view of that. But if the weather condition is good, then you might get a very clear view of the mountains as well as Mount Kanchenjunga from the ropeway. We have the option of wearing the traditional clothes over here, and it's charging 50 rupees per person, and you can wear these clothes and take some photos so that you have some souvenirs and memories of. Ria is getting ready. It's time for Ganesh Talk. It's around 6,100 feet above sea level, and from here we are going to get the majestic view of Gangtok city. The view of Gangtok city from Ganesh Talk. It is also known as the majestic viewpoint because you get the entire city view from here, and it does look majestic to me. What do you say?
Yeah, definitely.
So, and how are you feeling wearing the traditional clothes?
Very nice.
टमाटर नहीं है, अच्छा लग रहा है.
How much?
120 का 100 में लीजिए. ये भी 120 का लीजिए. ये 180 का है. दो लाने से 600 हो जाएगा. क्या आपको दोनों सिटी है?
So this is the valley viewpoint, and from here you get the view of the entire valley very nicely. But if the weather conditions are only good, then only you will get the entire view. Today it's not a good time to have the view because the mountains far behind is covered by fog and the visibility is very less. So whatever view we have right now is this. Three tickets. This is the view of Lhasa waterfall. The quantity of water is very less due to mountains being covered with snow. So this is what in store for us. So after Lhasa waterfall, it's time for Tasi viewpoint. From here you get a majestic view of Mount Kanchenjunga, but due to the weather it seems to be covered with fog. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a view of Mount Kanchenjunga from here. देसी हवा भी नहीं है, एसी हवा भी नहीं है, कोई भी हवा नहीं है.
सांस फूल रही है.
सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ोगी तो एक तो यहाँ दर्द होता है चढ़ने में.
So the view is just nothing is there, not at all visible in naked eyes, even in camera. So thank you. So after roaming around for the entire day, we have come to Banjakri waterfalls. So what from the first expression what I can feel that this is going to turn out as the best spot in Gangtok for sightseeing. Let's see.